Spider-Man 2. Spider-Man 2. X-Men Days of Future Past. X-Men Days of Future Past. Black Panther. Black Panther. Captain America, the Winter Soldier. Captain America, the Winter Soldier. X2 X-Men United. X2 X-Men United. Thor Ragnarok. Thor Ragnarok. The Dark Knight. Main cast more The Dark Knight. Fan theories about Heath Ledger's Joker 180 of 1189 every Oscar-winning film ever 18 of 675 the best movies Roger Ebert gave 4 stars. Avengers Endgame. Main cast more Avengers. Endgame how the time travel works in Avengers. Endgame 6 of 177. The greatest comic book movies of all time 357 of 480. The greatest movies for guys.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.